Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna go over the steering wheel controls for your either 2016, 2017, and 2018 Honda Pilots. Okay, this one is the top of the line Honda Pilot Touring Elite. The Elite only has a 7-seater. Okay, compared to all other trim or models out there. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first of all, let me start the car real quick by pressing the push start right there. Okay. So let's go through the main control real quick. This is the main control. Okay. And this is for your cruise control. Okay, resume, set, and then you can set the distance. And then if you want to add a speed, you can press the plus or minus right there. Okay. And this is lane keep assist. So as you can see right now, the main is on. All right, so you got the lane keep assist, and then the ACC on right now. So if I press the main button right there, the light's gonna go off. So right now it's on, off. Okay. So once you press the main, it allows you to use cruise control, and then the lane keep assist as well. And once you press this button, your lane keep assist will light up on your screen. Okay, so you gotta press it, and then now it goes off. So this one is like automatic keep you on your lanes. So when you go toward to your left or toward to the right, you'll say lane departure or something like that. Okay, so you will die automatic steering your within the middle of your lane, so you won't go toward left or right. But if it senses that you don't have hands on the steering wheel, you will shake the steering wheel and then notify you saying that keep your hands on the steering wheels. And then next thing we want to go over is the cruise control. So once you're driving on the freeway at the, let's say 60 miles per hour, you can press set. All right, once you press set, it's gonna stay at that speed. And then this one is to cancel, the middle button right here, to cancel the cruise control. And then this button right here on the right, it allows you to adjust how far. I think there are 3 settings. How far you are behind a vehicle. Okay, so you can set it far, mid range, and then close range. Okay, how far you want to set it. So once you set that distance, it will automatically stop for you or hit the brakes or let go of the cruise control if your car's too close behind the cars in front of you. Okay, and that's that. And this one, the plus and minus, is to click on the different view on your screen. Okay, let's go over that real quick. Right now we're on trip A. So if I press arrow up, it shows press and hold reset to change speed units. So you could change to mile per hour or kilometer. Okay, so if I press and reset, Reset is in the middle section, middle button right here. So you got up, down. So you got the I for informations. And there's tire pressure, and then your navigation, well, your north and south, east and west, what direction you're facing. And this is the trip B. Okay, so you got A and B. Now you're back to trip A again. So right now my average fuel is 23.5 miles per gallon, and the distance is 331.3 miles. Range, I have only 68 miles left on my tank. And then there's a temperature right here on the right. And the left icon in we on the econ mode. Okay, let me show you the econ mode real quick. Econ mode is right here. Okay, to save gas. So if I press it, it's gonna go off, and it says econ off. And I press it one more time, it says econ on. Okay, and let's go over to the next one. This one is we have a heated steering wheel, so pretty good in the winter time, because you can press up toward you and you see that light come on, the amber light, LED light. So around this part right here and right here, all the way around the top section, it's gonna heat up within like 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, and it gets warm up pretty quickly. So I'm going to turn it off right now to pull towards you. Okay, and next thing I want to know is I don't want to turn on the FM radio. Let's see, this is for your volume up and down. So right now we're on the Bluetooth. I don't want to turn on any music right now due to the copyright. So I'm going to turn it all the way down. Hopefully I'm not going to record anything on the FM radio. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So right now we are on 103.5. So by switching to a different station, you gotta do the left or right. Those are the preset station. So you can see when I hit the left button, it shows 101.1 classic rock, and I hit it one more time, is 102.7. and then 105.9. These are the preset that is on the channel right now. Okay, or I can toggle back to the right, which is the next station, and left is the previous station. Okay, and then when I click on the source, there is a AM radio or Sirius XM or CD or Bluetooth, and then a video, and then HDMI. Okay, just like pressing the source, it's jumping to the next mode. Or if I want to press the source, and I can toggle with the left or the right key. Okay, so I don't need to keep on pressing source one at a time. Okay, next one is we're gonna go to the This is the voice command button. When I press it, the screen is going to show this.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and saying a command immediately. After the beep, say, phone call, music search, audio, climate control, navigation, voice settings, or voice help.
Voice help.
Press the talk button to select a command list. The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again. After the beep, say, useful commands, phone commands.
Let's go back.
The voice.
So I'm going to hit the voice command again.
The voice prompt can be interrupted at any time by pressing the talk button again and saying a
Navigation.
say a command.
So you kind of get an idea, so okay. Okay, and then we're gonna go over to this button right here. This one you could press it, and then it shows your cellular phone mode or your music. If you press one more time, then you got the navigation, okay? And you press one more time, you go to your phone mode. So if you have a speed dial or call history, you could just hit it, and then it'll call the person that you want to talk to, okay? And let's go into the music mode. Music mode, you got the same thing, the FM, AM, XM, CD, USB, USB iPod, or Pandora, or connect to your cell phone, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and then you got the rear video, rear HDMI, okay? Those are all your audio selection or your musics. Let's go back, navigation. Let's see. So after you go press this button, and if you go select on cell phone, you can press this for the different menu, okay? The bottom button right here. So once you press it, you can select call history or go to redial, okay? And then you're gonna toggle with this up and down, as you can see on the screen, and press this to enter, okay? And press this button to return, or this one to exit. So you can return to the previous, or you can press, when you press this button, you can press it again to exit. So let's go to the music. So this button is only for cellular phone contact only, okay? So if I'm on the navigation or on the music, when I press this button, it automatically kicks me to my cell phone, Samsung SM910. So for example, I'm on the navigation mode, and if I press that button right here, it should give me like a cellular phone menu. Oh, I guess not. It's only on the FM, on the music. Only on the music. So if I hit that button, it's going to automatically go to the cellular on my phone. And I hit it one more time. I can see the call history or redial. And this one is to make a phone call. So by pressing this button, you get this menu right here. Navigation, phone info, audio, link, Honda link, rear audio, smartphone connection, and then setting. Let me see. There's nothing here. Nothing. Nothing. So this is whatever that link with your cell phone. You can have a browse, calculator, or whatever you download on your phone. Install USB, search, and then on the setting. Apps, security, language and input, about device. So this is about my device, which is connecting to my cell phone and stuff. All right, and then there is your paddle shifter right here. This is to go down the speed, so that's why you see the minus sign. And on the right hand side, you got the plus sign right here, which is when you change the shifted to shift up and to shift down. So basically that's about everything about the control panel that's on the steering wheel. Okay, and let's go through the parking sensor real quick. As you can see, this is a parking sensor. Okay, you can press on or off if it's too close to like bushes or to a fence or to a wall. It will alert you. So I'm gonna give a test for this parking sensor. If you park too close to a cone or something, a wall, or bushes, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Okay. I'm gonna back out real quick. See, it says it give me the warning until I press park, and when I press drive, either drive or reverse, it'll notify you on the upper left hand corner. That means your front of your sensor, it senses that there's an object which is too close to you. So when I drive, He's telling me that I'm kind of too close, but actually I'm not. So it just gives you like a accident avoidance. So anyway, that is that function. Roll departure mitigation. Okay. So when you are too close to your left lane marker, the steering wheel will shake and say you have a lane departure. So it tell you to it show you are too close to the left or too close to the right. And then you got the on and off for the slip roll right here. Okay, which is traction control mode. You gotta press and hold it down. Let me show you on the screen. So it says traction control mode is off. And then there's a collision mitigation on or off, okay, which is it automatic brakes if you are too close to the car in front of you, okay. So when you see the icon on the right hand side, that means it's off, and you want to hit that button again, press and hold, and it is on right now. Okay, and this is your left and right to adjust your mirror. So this is about it for today's tutorial. Next thing we're gonna go over is the climate control. Okay, you want to go check out that one because it is pretty. There are some tips and guides or tips and tricks about the mirror and stuff like that. All right, so hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and then be sure to turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. All right, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. All right, like always, peace out.